Hello everyone, this is Sobraj here. Today I'm very excited to introduce you the Rhino Rescue's first ever aid box. This is really good and I'm very excited to share with you. So first here you can see the box is very good size, right? It's very easy to carry, you can carry anywhere. And here the front cover is very easy to open. Quickly open it and you can see all the instructions here and what you will get inside the box, right? You can see. Alright, so now how to open it, right? So here you can see the zipper, right? Just go here and you can open it. So here you can see two kit boxes, right? Two kit boxes, and this kit box is detachable, so you can carry it anywhere. It's very tiny, right? Very easy to carry. Especially when you are riding motorbike, you can carry it. So while you open it, so open it up and you can put all your stuff you need according to your need. So you can just arrange it. And here, this one is easy to mount. So it's easy to mount on the mobile system. So this is very flexible to carry anywhere. So you can get two of it. One, and then you get two. So you can arrange it as you need. So on the right, on the left side, you can see the foldable bag. And this foldable bag here, they did a good work. I must say that. Here you can see a lot of stuff, all the key items you need. Especially for the first aid. You can see they put the ice pack, you can put the bandages, you can put the, like the swab, all these things you can get. And if you don't want to carry the full bag, it's okay. Just let it go and you can take what you need and put it in your small bag, small kit box, and then you can just carry it. Here you go. So personally, I really like this thing. So when I got to see that, and I think it will be very useful for our daily life, especially when you drive your car and you ride your motorbike. This is gonna be very suitable and it can save your life. So you know that, safety first. That's all for today. See you next time.